Packer Stadium.
Idiot. Summerfest. Dave Matthews Band. Baby. Buildings.
We didn't know where to go, so we just found the art store. Then we found where we had to go because the art store is there. We found it.
What are you looking at?
Looking at all the dead bodies. What? I need a reason.
You know,
It's like looking at things.
City stinks and the welding smells better.
It does. Sit and watch the boat.
Sit and watch the boat. The boat.
It's a bit excessive. They need to go that high. Well.
We are still in Wisconsin.
Oh yeah, we are. They need a pair of
Ooh.
boots.
Are we going into the catacombs?
Yeah.
Is there rats?
Big ones.
Big ones. There were rats.
There were rats, Dad.
Rats?
Yeah, big ones.
Free gift and they're terrible.
Show what it looks like. No, like pick one out.
Kids are dumb. Teenagers, what do you know? Can't wait to sit down with host. In a hot
What are they playing?
Celine Dion acoustical version, which means it's twice as bad.
Oh. But it's Titanic.
It doesn't matter. It sank, so there's a song. Look, I'm an artist. I have an ideal eraser. I've cleaned my eraser. I'm an artist.
Hello. That looks a little ominous, doesn't it?
While on the way to P, should we walk by Sarah to see if she's an escort?
Escort service?
Yeah.
That's what you've become.
I walk people. Not
Oh, we
we're
gotta
gonna
go! Yeah. Wow. Just made it. Terminator.
You're close. Give them to me.
Can't see this in Stetsonville.
We have a T-Rex. That's what it sounds like.
It's pretty bad when our Amish neighbor makes more noise than a hydraulic lift bridge.
Now you're dropping off a table?
Yeah.
Because it's only 4 blocks away.
So hungry, going to die.
Can you animate yourself where you just turned into the skeleton from Indiana Jones?
Yeah, I just need my spirit coming out of my mouth.
Yes. So you can say goodbye, Milwaukee. You were good to us.
Goodbye, Milwaukee. You are good to us. Now Bears.
Surprisingly good.
Bears.
At least for you, especially. How many tables did you sell? Is that your max to date?
That's my max. 1 day.
Not in 1
2
day.
days. 2 days. But you got 2 potential painting commissions in like 5 minutes.
And an ashtray. And an ashtray.
Yeah, that's cute.
Hello there.
Hello. I don't know if you can see me.
It's very hard. I see light. I see lights going by your head. That's about it. It's like Tron. So we just got done with the 3rd Ward in Milwaukee. And we started off...
We started off hating our lives, and then it ended up being...
Well, you gotta explain why.
It started off being the worst fair and hating our lives because we didn't know we could set up, so we weren't prepared to set up because we didn't eat. We got a parking ticket for $110 because we were parked where we thought we could park, but we couldn't park there. And then we got lost in downtown Milwaukee in the middle of the night in a cargo van.
Raining.
Raining the whole time. But then it ended up being the best fair we've ever been to. We sold a bunch of prints, bunch of commission possibilities. I sold 4 tables, 20 freaking cutting boards.
The cutting board guy.
But the best part was meeting some certain people. We met a nice green haired girl called
Halen. Like Van Halen.
Yeah.
She was awesome.
She was awesome.
Is the assistant manager at the Blick store,
I believe so.
which is right by the Minneapolis Institute of Art and Design.
Yeah.
And she was super awesome.
I know.
And she gave us a cool story on a gray paint that we'll talk about later because
Yep.
you can't even see it right now.
But the best part was I had 2 old students from my first teaching job at Lakeview show up. And they're in their freaking 30s now. That's how old I am. God damn it. But they said they saw our name, so they had to come see us. So that was about the best part of the whole flippin' show.
And knowing you, you don't get very emotional, but you got pretty close. When they left, you were just like, that was the coolest thing ever.
It's like my babies left.
Yep. Because you always see my art kids a lot more,
I do.
but the Lakeview kids we haven't seen since we moved
No, so
years
that-
ago. But overall, would you go back?
Oh yeah, of course.
So good job, hon.
Good.
You're the wood guy.
I'm the cutting board guy.
The cutting, well, and I might have some paintings. Might.
Yep.
Never know for sure until it actually happens.
Yeah, they sounded really interested.
They usually do, but
Yeah.
I'm not holding my breath right now. I know, I'm sorry. And the pottery, that was a surprise.
Yeah, we sold a lot of pottery too.
Yeah. So
Wasn't planning on that, but they love the pottery. That's it.
So good job. All good in the hood.
The internet there's 350 gigabyte. Ours is 7 at home.